Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop, and welcome to issue number 36 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our wonderful friends over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to this link here. It'll take you to the DeAgostini website. Pop. There's a clickable version below, just down there, and that will take you to the website, and you too can take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/6 scale Ford Mustang. And you can be building along with me. Keep me company, folks. We'll have a quick scoop through the magazine just to see what we got. Very special Shelby GT500 Cobra. Beautiful colour blue, isn't it? Yeah, absolutely stunning. This was in the year 2013. Absolutely stunning. Look how wide them rear tyres are, folks. So yeah, give these mags a read. They really are worthwhile, folks. You won't be disappointed. Here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting together a left rear wheel. That's giving you all the bits and pieces that we're going to be popping together today. And this is where you're going to need your tyre from the previous issue, folks, okay? So we can get that together. It's then showing us what we've got. We'll then be pulling out the rear drum from when we built that. There's the notch that we was on about. And then this will be then getting fitted to the rear axle, folks. So you're going to end up with the first wheel going on your car. And this is where it's located on your Ford Mustang, folks, down there. Ford Fusion at NASCAR. There's a big old following of the NASCAR. I wish we had a lot more interest in the UK in NASCAR. I think it's a fantastic spectacle. And yeah, I wish it had a bit more traction over it, to be honest with you. But there you go. The Americans do things better than us, and this is one of the motorsports, I think, that is way up there. And they are things of beauty, aren't they? The effort that goes into creating these cars. Yeah, mass-produced Ford Fusion alongside the NASCAR. Beyond the name and the sex, the two cars have no parts in common. This is all sheet metal folded around the tubular steel chassis and that. It's unbelievable how they're put together. Yeah, absolutely. It's one of my ambitions. If I could go stateside again, is to go to a NASCAR event. I'd love it. And there you go. Give them a read, folks. You'll find out loads of interesting facts and information about motorsport. It really is worth a read. I'm going to put this at the back. We'll grab our packet. This is what you'll get in this issue, folks. There you go, folks. So that's what we've got. We've got the wheel rim, etc. So what it's telling us is grab the wheel nuts assembly, which is this. Again, you've got your little keyhole and your woodruff key, so line them up like so. Then press that in. And these bolt heads will pop out the other side. Gives you the illusion then that you've got your chrome wheel bolts in place, okay? But remember to put that on, because you'll regret it if you don't. There should also be a little valve somewhere, so let's quickly look for that. Which is just there, still in the packet there, Carl. Well spotted. And that goes in this little hole here, okay? Push that in. Push it in nice and firm so that it pops through the other side, folks, okay? And then we're going to be grabbing our tyre, and we want to drop this in place, okay? And that'll go in that way round. And then you want to try and line these up, these little holes from the other side, okay? And once you get your first screw in, this will start pulling itself together quite nicely, okay? But there is a little notch, if I remember rightly, on this each side. And they go just in here. See these? That's where they go. So lower that with your hand. Get your two notches lined up, 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. and make sure that they're beginning to slide in place. Okay, then spin it round and line up this rear wheel section to the holes. Okay, might take you a couple of attempts to get it. Again, you've got the same notches there, 12 and 6, and they'll go in place. It's just to orientate the wheel correctly, folks, okay? And once you've got them lined up, you can then start aiming to get your first screw in. So we're going into die cast, so I'm going to be using a bit of oil on this issue. So I'll just grab the first one. Now I'm not going to fully tighten these down. I'm going to be doing them progressively. Okay. So once the first one starts to go in, we can start bringing others into play. Okay. I'm just going to grab that, line the screw in, and then I only want it to go in a few threads, just to start pulling it like that. I can then spin it, and I'm going to go 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Okay. Same process, bit of oil. Bing. I'm going over there, so I'm just going to rest that on my knuckle. And then start pulling that one in. Like that. Okay. Grab the next one and do the same again. And you're just doing a few turns, progressively going around the wheel, and then you can tighten them all up when you're good and hearty and ready to. Straight across the knuckle, into the hole, and then screw it to about there. There you go. Grab the next one. Pop. Come round. I want to go at 2 o'clock. Start pulling that one in. And then grab the last screw, just there. That can go in at 11 o'clock, just there. And now that we're getting them in, I can start fully tightening them home. So just line it up and then work your way around, just like that. And the oil just helps that. So that is 11 o'clock. I'm going to go to 5, opposite corner, do the same, bring that right the way down, like so. Check that, come over to 7, same again. Nice and easy. And then just go round now, fully home any remaining screws you've got. Like I say, they're all at that point now where this is pinching into the tyre very nicely. And that is it, in place. Just one more turn on that one. If you do see any gaps, just quickly spin the wheel round. Just quickly go round and retighten. But they're all now bottomed out. So I'm happy with that. There you go, folks. And that is how you put them wheels together. And that has really pulled that tyre in nice and taut now over them inserts. So I'm really pleased with that. Spin the page over. We'll grab our drum from before, which is here. And that will go on this woodruff key, like so. Like that. Okay. And then this half goes on the axle when we put it together. I'll grab the rear of the car like that. I will feed this wheel on for you. So there's the woodruff key at the top there at 12 o'clock. So we want to line it up with the key like so. And then I've got the wheel under tension, just like that. And then we can grab the screw and screw this wheel on. Like that. That's beginning to go into the axle, so I can now lift it up and tighten that wheel in place. Just like that. Okay, just check that that's in place, which it is. It's spinning freely. I can now just bottom that out. Just like that. Lovely jubbly. And then we can put the cap in place. Look at that. Oh, the size of that, folks. Oh, isn't it, eh? Nice one. So that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue on your Mustang, folks. You're going to end up with a nice bit of wheelage going on, mate. So, yeah, well happy with that. Absolutely stunning how that's going together. And that's a fair old size kit there, folks. So don't forget, if you would like to grab one of these, click the link there. Head over to DeAgostini's website, folks. And grab yourself a subscription to this beautiful, beautiful 1/6 scale model. Also, click the festa just in the corner there. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Really does help me out, folks. I massively appreciate it. Until the next time, I'm going to sit and make cooing noises over this beautiful car. And I'll see you next time. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.